Hi guys, so the last part of force, it is important for class 9, sometimes for class 10. CBSE guys has this thing, so I want to cover it up even for ICSE student, because you are going to have it very detailed in class 10th also. So it is important. A little bit of rotational motion, actually nothing else. So suppose there is a body like this, okay, or there is a fixed point, there is a fixed point, and if I tie a string with it and give a rotational motion like this to the body, like this. So this is the trajectory of the body. This is the way the body is moving. So this is tied with a string. Okay? This is tied with a string. So whenever it is tied with a string, so there must be some force in between these two. So definitely there is a force like this, because it has to be pulled ना, it has to be pulled, ठीक है ना. वो पेंडुलम में जब झूलता है तो ऊपर दिख में टेंशन काम करता है, तो दिस फोर्स इज कॉल्ड टेंशन फोर्स. ठीक है. फॉर दिस केस, suppose there is a positive charge and a negative charge is moving like this in the same way, in case of atoms. So there is electrostatic force of attraction. ठीक है. For heavenly bodies, here is sun, here is earth. ठीक है. It is moving in the same kind of circular motion, right? So there is another force of attraction which we just now studied, that, or we know already, that is gravitational force. Gravitational force. ठीक है. We know already these things. So all this force together, which happens to be there in between a fixed point and another body moving about that fixed point in a circular motion, is known as centripetal force. ये जितना भी फोर्स है, सेंट्रीपेटल फोर्स, जितना भी फोर्स है, where does it exist? Whenever a body is moving about a fixed point, whenever a body is moving about a fixed point in a circular motion, in a uniform circular motion, ठीक है, that kind of forces in totality is called centripetal force. Is called centripetal force in totality. So in case of string like this centripetal force is provided by the tension force. ठीक है. In case of plus minus, electrostatic force provides the centripetal force. In case of heavenly bodies, gravitational force provides the centripetal force. So this attractive force, you can say, in between two, I will not say bodies, because all the time it is not body, in between a fixed point and a body moving in circular motion around that fixed point is called centripetal force. Examples are there, this, anyone you can take. ठीक है. This is a centripetal force. Whenever we talk about centripetal force, there is another term which comes into action, which we call, just we are giving the idea, not in detail, detail में बाद में पढ़ेंगे. Another force that comes into existence somehow. So one was centripetal force, centripetal force. ठीक है. So this acts towards fixed point, right? This acts towards the fixed point. ठीक है. Another force that come into action is called nothing but centrifugal force. Fugal force. Now what happens is, what we tend to do, this is a fixed point and this is moving in circular direction. So there is a centripetal force which is acting towards the center or towards the fixed point. So there might be some force which is acting like this, which we name as centrifugal force, acts away from fixed point. Now the thing is whether this force really exists or not. Centrifugal force exists करता है या नहीं करता है. Let's understand this. See, if we talk about centrifugal force, I'll first try to bulldoze into you. It is a pseudo force. Pseudo force means it doesn't exist. Okay. Then why this term came? See, whenever you are moving a string like this, you will see you will just experience that maybe some kind of force is trying to pull away that string or that body from yourself. So from that idea, this centrifugal force came into action. Now how to explain to you that this centrifugal force doesn't exist? Okay, how to explain to you? I will take an example of a merry-go-round, which is a very famous example in this regard. So in merry-go-round means in Bengali, if I say, if you go to some fair which you call mela, okay? If you go to some fair, you will see there are certain, what do you call that, dolnas, they call it dolna, okay? So dolnas, there are different kinds. So in English they call it merry-go-round. So it there are छोटा छोटा घोड़ा टाइप का रहता है ना, घोड़ा के ऊपर बैठ के बच्चा लोग ऐसे घूमता है. So বাচ্চারা ঘোড়ার উপর বসে ঘুরতে থাকে একটা ফিক্স পয়েন্টের উপরে, কিন্তু বেসড হয়ে সার্কুলার মোশনটা হয়. ঠিক আছে, তো ব্যাপারটা কীরকম, একটা ফিক্স পয়েন্ট থাকে, এই জায়গাটায় ধরো একটা ঘোড়া আছে, হর্স টয়, হ্যাঁ. সো অন দিস ইউ আর দেয়ার, ঠিক আছে, অ্যান্ড ইউ আর মুভিং লাইক দিস. You are moving like this, ठीक है. So your first position may be over here, ठीक है, where you are there, here, ठीक है. This way you are moving. Now what happens is there will be some centripetal force like this, ठीक, tension force, क्योंकि something is connecting this fixed point with your toy, right? Now if you suppose you are having a ball with you over here, the ball is over here, you have a ball with you. So I will use the red pen. So you have a ball with you, right, like this, okay. So now you lose the ball somehow, okay, you lose the ball. So the ball loses like this, so ball goes like this. Now just see where is your position in this cases. First your position was here, okay. Next your position was here. If you see, first there is the distance between yourself and the ball is 0, next it increases, next it increases, next it increases further. So when you are inside this toy, you will feel the ball is going away from you radially. Radially means along the radius, because you are seeing the distance is increasing when you are inside the toy. So here you can see ball is moving away from you radially. But did it move radially away from you? Did it really go like this when you leave the ball? No, it went like this. And if you see how it really went, it went like this. If you see, this is the circular path, you lost the ball over here, ball went tangentially, ball went tangentially. Tangentially means this is called tangent of a circle. What is tangent? This is the radius. Whenever the radius is making a angle of 90 degree with a line which touches the circle, it is called the tangent. The line is called the tangent of that circle. Okay? The ball is going tangentially. Why it is going tangentially? I will explain you. So this is clear. Okay, now I will keep this diagram. I will drop this one. Okay? So actually what is happening? Actually the ball is going tangentially. ठीक है ना, सीधा जाता है बॉल. और हमको क्या लगता है? हमको लगता है बॉल ऐसे 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 जा रहा है. तो ऐसे ऐसे कोई नहीं जा रहा है, बॉल ऐसे जा रहा है. तो ऐसे ऐसे नहीं जा रहा है मतलब सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स इज नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग. देयर इज नो रेडियल मूवमेंट of the ball as I have written. This is for whom? This is for you. You are seeing that the ball is moving away from you radially. But what happens actually? This is the fixed point, this is circular motion that is going on. See, this velocity is going like this. Okay? This velocity, if you see, is going like this, है ना. This is the direction of velocity at different points. If you want to take this side, it will be like this. Wherever you want to take, it will be like this. Velocity at different points. Clear? So, this velocity here at different directions, है ना. So, velocity over here in case of uniform circular motion, velocity is changing. ठीक है, velocity is changing. It is not uniform velocity. So, this is an example of uniform speed, but velocity is variable. Why velocity is varying? The velocity तो वही है, but remember speed is scalar. When we talk about speed, we talk about only magnitude, but when we talk about velocity, we talk about magnitude and direction. The direction is changing. Now, even if the direction changes, how does it comes back to this point? It should go like this, due to the centripetal force. Centripetal force which is pulling this like this. And whenever there is a force, there is acceleration, right? Whenever there is a force, there is acceleration. So, this acceleration is causing this velocity to change direction continuously and be in circular motion. So, this is an example of uniform speed but variable velocity. ठीक है ना? That is uniform circular motion. So, you can see the force is not the force, I would say the velocity of the ball was tangential, but for me it was radial. ठीक है. So, this was wrong, my assumption was wrong, because when you are seeing from outside from your room right now, you can see it is going tangential, it is not going radial, right, it is going tangential as per the velocity, because there is no more contact with this ball with this total system. So, as there is no contact anymore, there is no contact at all, there is no centripetal force available to change its direction. Centripetal force क्या करता है? Centripetal force ये velocity जो इधर जा रहा था, इसका direction change करके इस जगह पे लाता है. बट अभी तो अगर बॉल निकल गया हाथ से तो कनेक्शन नहीं है, कनेक्शन नहीं है मतलब टेंशन नहीं है, टेंशन नहीं है मतलब सेंट्रीपेटल फोर्स प्रोवाइड करेगा कौन? देयर इज नो वन. सो इफ देयर इज नो वन टू प्रोवाइड सेंट्रीपेटल फोर्स, द बॉल विल गो लाइक दिस. ठीक है. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स एंड इट्स फैलासी. आई थिंक इट इज वेल अंडरस्टूड बाय यू. दिस विल बी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू इन क्लास 10th also. So I just covered it up for ICSE also. Anushka, thank you.